Good morning, everyone. I am Parshuram Santosh Kodu of Fieldwork Group number 5 and under supervising of Ms. Asawari Zabke ma'am. And my fieldwork community is in Yotmal. And the theme for fieldwork is social work response to COVID-19. Talking about Yotmal, Yotmal is also known as the Cotton City. It is famous for the grand celebration of Durga festival. Lots of NGOs are daily working even in this pandemic situation. Current situation of COVID-19 in Yotmal is getting worse day by day. Most of the thalassemia and sickle cell patients are belongs to Yavatmal district. For the first fieldwork, I had given visit to Government Hospital Yavatmal to know the impact of COVID-19 situation in surrounding. There I observed that the pandemic was a great deal of problem for everyone involved. Lots of patients were affected by unavailability of the ventilators. Also great hit by government blood bank due to absence of blood donation camps and volunteer donors. The patients not affected by COVID and also influence, even causing death in some cases. These are the patients who are suffering from the thalassemia, aplastic anemia, and sickle cell. I attended the meeting with the Honorable District Collector regarding the problem faced by people due to the ongoing lockdown. So NGO requested not to impose the lockdown as NGO has already spent all the funds in order to provide the services to society regarding COVID-19. So instead of that, we suggested to make the rules and fines more strict to make the situation normal. Assignment number 3 is a community profile. First part is demographic information and second part is historical and social aspect. Historically, the name Yavatmal derived from the Marathi word Yavat, which means mountain, and Mal means road. And Yavatmal is the district headquarters. The mini train called Shakuntala is a historical remark built by the British government to transport cotton. Economical and political aspect, people living here are middle class, including mostly farmers. In the social and resource mapping, all the social and resources like school, colleges, hospital, NGOs, and playgrounds are mentioned in one map. In assignment 4, various problem trees are prepared for reaching out the actual problem and to find cause responsible for. I prepared various action plan according to problem and need of my client. In first one, as my client lost her daughter because of not taking follow-up in lockdown, so I am helping him to open a daycare center. And in the second case, as my client was mentally harassed by her husband, so I took help from Gramin Samasya Mukti Trust to shift her at Nagpur for the psychiatric treatment. And in the third case, as my client lost his job in lockdown, so I suggested him to go with his profession and I talked with his parents for the moral support. Assignment number 6 is to create awareness of COVID-19 in surrounding. For that, I tried to aware people with the help of some posters about the plasma donation and precaution and care of COVID-19. I spread awareness by the medium of yoga and by teaching them 5 most important pranayams which are helpful to build and boost immunity, and it also helps in releasing stress which is the root cause of many diseases. It is also efficient to increase the oxygen level of blood and protect our respiratory system. This is a picture of our fieldwork group number 5 including Asawari ma'am regarding awareness about COVID-19. I observed that people in Yotmal started deserting COVID affected families. Mental health issues are also rising, but families are coping with it by the virtue of moral support from each other. Due to the imposition of lockdown, there is a leap for good in case of pollution and a decline in road accident. On the flip side, the incident of suicide are on surge. Also noted, there is a requirement of more attention to the health sector so that it can sustain the burden of the pandemic. People are not much more aware about the COVID-19 and vaccination. I came to know the reason behind this second wave of COVID-19 are that people ignorance towards government policies about attending funerals, marriage and cultural programs. And I learned that improvement in empathy towards person in problem and how to follow social work principle in fieldwork, how to use professional social work methods in fieldwork. Challenges are like as this being the very first fieldwork for me. It took some time to come around. The clients were a bit reserved at the start, and I had to earn their trust to get the actual information, as they were quite uncomfortable sharing it with others, due to the obvious reason caused by the misunderstanding in the society. I would like to conclude by thanking all the faculty members and especially Asauri ma'am who guided me in this fieldwork. Thank you.